In this video, I'll show you how you can delete watch faces from your OnePlus Watch 4. Now for this to work, you need to use the All Health application on your smartphone. So simply launch the application, and then from here, tap on the device at the bottom right corner. And then from here, you should see this section, My Faces. All you have to do is tap on Edit, and now you should see all the watch faces that you currently have, okay? Now to delete a watch face, simply tap on Edit under the recently used category, tap on Edit, and then find the watch face that you'd like to remove. So let's say for instance this particular one. Simply tap on the check mark next to the watch face, and then tap on the delete icon at the top right corner, and then you should see remove the selected watch face. Tap on remove, and that watch face will be deleted. So you can repeat the same for all the other watch faces that you don't want to use. So like this one, you can select them. And then once you're done, tap on the bin icon, which is the delete icon at the top right corner, and that will remove, or rather will delete, the watch faces. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.